Alright, here we are at Walt Disney's Epcot. This is Journey of Water inspired by Moana. It's a hot 90-something degree day here right now. So this might be a good place to be. This is a water cycle. It says that water connects us. And they're playing the inspired Moana music from the animated film. This one here says rain. Under each one of these things there is these boards to read here, so I'll let you guys read that. Oh, here's a misty, like, waterfall. That'll help cool up. Everybody's hot and cranky right now.
I was waiting for you.
It says water in this experience is collected and recirculated. Please do not drink the water. So this water here makes like music sounds whenever you touch it. It's kind of like a harp. Strings of water. Definitely something that the kids enjoy doing.
Put your hand in it when it's easy. Yeah.
Over here is the stream. Traveling together. Alright, it says this water is not really playful right now. Look at that. So this is one of those interactive type of water experiences. Not really a ride. This next one we're coming up to is called Wetland. I'll show you guys a sign so you can read it. Alright, so there's one over here that says dry path and one that has a wet path. That'll get your shoes or feet wet if you go this way. Okay, we're gonna go down the dry path here. Now this one here is called the Spring. Hidden Depths. There's a little girl dressed like Snow White playing in the water. This exhibit is good for people with mobile carts so you can get right through. Now this one's called Land, shaped by water. This is what the sign says here. Alright, it looks like there's two different paths to this one. There's the dry path to the right and one that showers you down with like a little bit of a rainfall here on the left, both sides. There's two different entrances there. If you pause and wait, you can walk through without getting wet. I'm going down the dry path myself. I'm not a huge fan of getting wet. Alright, they do have a restroom stop along the way. Alright, this next one says lake. All water is connected. Oh, here's a good shot with the Epcot ball in the background on this water, with this waterfall being in the front. This is what the sign says to the exhibit that says lake. And then here is an awesome photo op to get your picture taken with Moana. There's a photo pass person over there. There is a bit of line there. If you want to wait for line and get a photo pass from one of the Disney cast members, or you can line up here and just get your picture taken with your cell phone. Alright, this next section says river. And it's got all the water going right through there. And then this is what the sign says. Oh, here's a spot where you can get wet. It says interactive water feature. Evidently, if you raise your hands like that, it makes the water explode like that. This next section says ocean. The ocean is our friend. This is what the sign says. And here's a hot day. This is a perfect day for something like this. Okay, over here to the right, it's kind of like a splash pad for kids. Right there. Alright, moving on, there's a sign here, it's called Sky. Water knows the way. It's got this fog that comes out through the top. A cool mist. Comes out of the ground, the sides of the rocks, and the top. Almost like a humidifier. And that was the last of it. That's the new Moana water feature here at Walt Disney World, Epcot.